आज आपण सुरू करणार आहोत चॅप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट सेट्स अँड सबसेट्स. दिस इज अ कोर्स ऑन स्पेशल कोर्स सेट theory and logic. Unit first sets and subset. First definition set. Set is a well known, well defined, and well distinguished collection of distinct object is known as set. There's a set of well-defined and well-distinct collection of distinct object is known as set. Generally, set is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, and so on. A set containing finite number of elements is called a finite set. This is a simple one. And each set containing even natural numbers less than 20 is the finite set because it contains only 10 elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and up to 10, 20. That is a it contains only 10 elements, so it is a finite set. If set contains uh, finite number of elements, it is a finite set. A set contains infinite number of elements, then it is a infinite set. A set of all vowels in alphabets is a finite set because we know that there is only five vowels in English. So this is a finite set. In the example of infinite set of natural numbers contains 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. It contains infinite numbers. We can't uh, count this number, so it is a infinite number. So it's a infinite set. Set of whole numbers contains 0, 1, 2, 3. It's a infinite set. Set of all integers 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on is a again an infinite set. Now, next definition, a set A is said to be subset of set B if every element of A is element of B. A चे सर्व एलिमेंट जर बी मध्ये असतील then we say that A is a subset of B. This is a notation for A is subset of B or B is superset of A. But generally we write it as A is subset of B. Okay, if A is a subset of B, then it is equivalent to the B is a superset of A. This is notation is known as B is a superset of A. Means A is subset of B means A B is a superset of A. Okay. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then clearly A is again subset of C. A जर B चा सबसेट असेल आणि B जर C चा सबसेट असेल तर A हा सुद्धा C चा सबसेट असेल. आणि A जर B चा सबसेट असेल आणि B जर A चा सबसेट असेल देन A इज इक्वल टू बी. दोघं एकमेकांचे सबसेट असतील तर ते आपल्याला मिळतो दोघं सेट्स आर इक्वल. ओके. For example, if A contains only two elements, 2 and 3, B contains set of all x belongs to set of natural numbers such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is, we can solve this uh, equation x square minus 5x plus 6 आणि जे काही त्याचे रूट्स येतील that is the elements of B. Then A is equal to B. What is the roots of this equation? Equationची roots काय मिळतील? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the roots of this equation. So B is also contains 2 and 3. So A is equal to B. Second example, if A is equal to set of all x such that x is letter in the word college, and B is also contains the set of all elements which contains C O E L and G. Okay, so A is equal to B. Both contain same elements. Next, a set A is said to be proper subset of B if A is subset of B and there exists at least one x belongs to B such that x not in A. That is the every element of A is in B, but not there exists at least one element which is in B but not in A. Then it is known that it is a proper subset of A, and this is the notation for proper subset. The if all sets under consideration a subset of particular set U, then you called as universal set. Okay, a set is said to be empty set if A has no element. एखाद्या सेटमध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नसेल तर त्या सेटला आपण म्हणतो एम्प्टी सेट. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय दिस नोटेशन or this notation. For example, set of all x such that x is a human being having three eyes. असा असा माणूस की ज्याला तीन डोळे आहेत असा माणूस एक्झिस्ट आहे का? नो. सो इट contains no element, so it's a empty set. Empty set is always subset of any set. Okay, the intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by this notation, A intersection B, and it contains all those elements which are in both A as well as in B. So if we consider the set A is a AIEOU, again B is equal, set B is nothing but COLEG, then A intersection B is nothing but the common elements या सेटमध्ये सुद्धा आहेत आणि या सेटमध्ये आहेत. कोणते एलिमेंट्स येतील? E is in A also, E is in B also. So A intersection B contains E. Also O is in A, O is in B. So E and O are the elements which contains in both A and B. So A intersection B contains E and O. So for any set A and B, A intersection B is always subset of A intersection B is always subset of B. The union of two sets is denoted by A union this notation, and it is the set consisting those elements which are present in either A or in B or in both. एकतर ए मध्ये असेल किंवा बी मध्ये असेल किंवा दोघांमध्ये असेल. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल दिस कंटेन्स ए कंटेन्स 2 3 4 6, बी कंटेन्स A B 2 6. ओके, नाव व्हॉट इज द युनियन ऑफ दिस टू सेट? ए युनियन बी इज नथिंग बट दोघं इलेमेंट्स मध्ये कुठल्याही एकतर ए मध्ये असायला पाहिजे किंवा बी मध्ये असायला पाहिजे. 2 3 4 6 ए चे एलिमेंट्स लिहून घेतले आणि तो 2 6 बी मध्ये सुद्धा आहे म्हणून तो एकच टाइम लिहायचा 2 आणि 6. आता राहिलेले कुठले एलिमेंट्स आहेत ए आणि बी ते सुद्धा युनियन मध्ये येतील ए बी. सो ए युनियन बी कंटेन्स 2 3 4 6 ए अँड बी. For any two sets, A is always subset of A union B and B is always subset of E union B. Difference of two sets. A difference B, A minus B contains set of all x such that x not belongs to B. सिंपल डेफिनेशन आहे. ए मायनस बी म्हणजे काय? ए मधून बी चे एलिमेंट्स मायनस केले म्हणजेच काय? असे एलिमेंट्स की जे ए मध्ये आहे पण बी मध्ये नाही. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल consider this set A contains 1 2 3 4, B contains 2 4 5. So what we get? A minus B is equal to असे एलिमेंट्स की जे ए मध्ये आहेत पण बी मध्ये नाहीत. बी मध्ये 2 4 5 आहेत म्हणजेच ए मध्ये आहेत 1 2 3 म्हणजे 2 येणार नाही. जो बी मध्ये आहे तो इथे येणार नाही म्हणजे 2 1 आणि 3. सो ए मायनस बी इज इक्वल टू 1 बट जर बी मायनस आहे की जे एलिमेंट बी मध्ये आहे पण ए मध्ये नाही, बी मध्ये आहे पण ए मध्ये नाही म्हणजेच ओनली 5. सो ए मायनस बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी मायनस ए. Symmetry difference. Any two sets A and B is symmetry difference of A and B is denoted by this notation. A symmetry difference B, and it is given by set of all those elements which are present in A or in B but not in both. A minus B union B minus A. A symmetric difference B is nothing but A minus B union B minus A. Okay. So for any two sets A and B, A symmetric difference B is same as B symmetric difference A. Find the symmetric difference of set A is equal to the set of all letters in the words mathematics, and B is the set of all letters in the words marriage. So what we get? ए मध्ये कोणते लेटर्स आहेत? मॅथेमॅटिक्स. मग कुठले एलिमेंट्स येतील? एम ए टी एच ई. एम रिपीट झालाय म्हणून तो एकाच वेळा घ्यायचा. ए रिपीट झालाय, टी सुद्धा रिपीट झालाय, आय येईल, नंतर सी येईल, नंतर एस येईल. सो ए कंटेन्स एम ए टी एच ई आय सी एस, these elements. B contains the elements of marriage. सो एम येईल ए येईल आर टू टाइम्स आहे म्हणून एकच वेळा घ्यायचा MARIGE. सो दिस इज सेट ए and this is set B. Now what is A minus B? A minus B means set असे एलिमेंट्स की जे A मध्ये आहेत पण B मध्ये नाहीत. दॅट इज THCH. B minus A contains असे एलिमेंट्स जे B मध्ये आहे पण A मध्ये नाही म्हणजे R आणि Z. आणि सिमेट्रिक डिफरन्स काय आहेत? A युनियन B, A मायनस बी युनियन बी मायनस ए. या हे एलिमेंट्स विथ हे एलिमेंट्स कुठले येतील? THCH तर आधीच युनियन विथ RG. सो THCH RG this contains A symmetric. B is nothing but this set. U be a universal set and A is a union of A is a subset of U. Then complement of set A in U contains set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. The complement of A is denoted by this A dash or A complement. So A dash contains set of all x belongs to U such that x not belongs to A. So from definition it is clear that A dash is equal to U minus A. For example, if U is a universal set, U is equal to set of all x belongs to N such that 2 is less than equal to x less than equal to 12. And A is a set of all, sorry, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 12. So what is the A complement? Okay, A complement contains set of all elements of U that is not in A. Okay, so B is equal to this set 4, 9, 7, 12, 3, and C is equal to 5, 6, 8, 9, 8, 11, 12. Okay, these three elements. So then we have to verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection union C. And second one, third one, and fourth one. So first, we have to calculate, we have to show this. First, calculate B intersection C. B intersection C contains 9, 12, and A union B intersection C, that is A contains 2, 3, 5, 12, union 9, 12. 12 रिपीट होतोय म्हणून 12 एकाच वेळेला यायचं, बाकीचे सर्व एलिमेंट्स 2, 3, 5, 12 and 9. So this is our A union B intersection C. Now first find out A union B, then find out A union C and take the intersection. So A union C is nothing but union of these two, this A and this C, which get 2, 3, 5, 12, 6, 8, 9, 11. And A union B is nothing but again 2, 3, 5, 12, 4, 9, 7. So we have to take the intersection of A union B intersection A union C. So intersection of this set with this set. दोघांमध्ये कॉमन जे असेल ते दोघांमध्ये कॉमन 2, 3, 5, 12 and 9. Now from equation 1 and 2 these two sets are equal. So from 1 and 2 these two sets are equal. Similarly, we can verify this second also. Now for the third, union u दिलेला आहे, set of all x belongs to n such that 2 is less than equal to x less than equal to 12. So 2 is u contains 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. Okay, so A intersection B contains these two elements 3 and 12. So A intersection B complement म्हणजेच U मधले असे एलिमेंट्स की ज्यामध्ये 3 आणि 12 नाहीये, म्हणजेच फक्त 3 आणि 12 सोडून सर्व एलिमेंट्स 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This A intersection B complement. Now A complement जे A मध्ये आहेत U मध्ये आहेत पण A मध्ये नाहीत. B complement जे U मध्ये आहेत पण B मध्ये नाहीत. नाव ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट युनियन बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे ह्या दोघं सेटचा युनियन घ्यायचा आहे विच कंटेन्स 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 5. And from 5 and 6 we get A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So this verified third one. Now we can easily verify fourth one also similarly as above. Now next theorem, if U is a universal set, A, B, C are the subsets of U. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Empty set union A is always A. A union U is always U. A union B union C is nothing but A union B union C. That's the associative law. A union B is same as B union A. It's a simple one. Server theorem simple, right? If A is a subset of B, then we have to show A union B is a subset of sorry, A union B is equal to B. Always B is a subset of A union B. We have to show just this is a subset of B. So consider any element from X belongs to A union B. So X is in A or X is in B. जर X B मध्ये असेल, then A is a since A is a subset of B. So एक्स ए मध्ये असेल किंवा एक्स हा बी मध्ये असेल तेव्हा एक्स हा ऑलवेज बी मध्ये असेल. सो ए युनियन बी इज सबसेट ऑफ बी, बट बी इज ऑलवेज ए सबसेट ऑफ ए युनियन बी. सो ए युनियन बी इज इक्वल टू बी. Since empty set is always subset of A, so by using empty set union A is always equal to A. A is subset of U. By using one, A union U is equal to U. Now let X belongs to A union B union C. So X belongs to A or X belongs to B union C. So if X belongs to A, then X belongs to A union B. Hence X belongs to A union B union C. Suppose X not belongs to A, therefore X belongs to B union C. X belongs to B or X belongs to C. So X belongs to A union B or X belongs to C. Since B is subset of A union B, so therefore X belongs to A union B union C. This implies A union B union C is subset of A union B union C. Similarly, we can show reverse implication. A union B union C is subset of A union B union C. So from 2 and 3 we get, sorry, 1 and 3 we get this equation. Similarly, we can show A union B is equal to B union C. Now in the next theorem, we have seen next theorem. Thank you.